What's up mga kanoypi? Here's your boy Forex Noypi, and today's video ay magbabahagi tayo nung existing challenge natin, no? I have been fully transparent to what I did and what I'm trying to achieve now over the past week. At pinopost ko din to sa mga stories ko sa Facebook. And I am also sharing that in my TikTok. Pero ngayon, we will go in-depth kung anong current status ng challenge na ito. Pero to give you guys a full recap, may ginawa tayo about 3 months ago kung saan nag-forward test tayo. I tested a specific approach in the market for when ang ititrade ko lang is tatlong currency. Ano-ano yon? That is the US 30 or the Dow. Pipiliin ko yan dito. And S&P 500. Tapos UK 100. Wala yung UK dito eh. Pero tatlo yan. Isang S&P, US 30, at saka UK. Tapos what we're doing is just merely a scalping breakout strategy on the market open. Tapos, ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo yung resulta nun. So far, this is technically day number 7, trading day. This is my second week into the challenge. Ngayon, papakita ko muna yung last week. So, let's customize this table from October 22 until October 26. Ayan. So, ngayon makikita natin dito ang realized PNL natin last week is kumita tayo ng 551.50, or at least we took it as a profit. Since ang capital natin dito is $100,000, again, this is a challenge account from FX2 funding. Makikita nyo dyan sa taas. And our goal here is to meet 10% with only 6% drawdown. So, ngayon, ang punto nitong video na to is to encourage new traders out there na test your approach in the markets before going live. So, ganun ang ginawa ko dito. Pinagandaan ko to. I tested an approach in the market. Siyempre, may mga tweaking na nangyari dun sa approach na yon. Pero I tested a strategy that concentrates only on 3 assets on a 5-minute time frame on an opening range breakout strategy. Wala tayong ginamit na fundamentals dito kasi medyo matagal yon. This is purely technical. But then again, the point is, you test your approach in the markets. Okay? Ang risk natin dito is usually around 1%. It can be a little bit lower, it could be a little bit higher. Pero 1% ito ng $10,000. Okay? So, let's go. Ito yung 1 week, ito yung first week natin, tapos ito yung current week natin. So, ngayon, we took only 2 trades. Total trades natin for this week is 5. Dapat naka-6 na tayo kasi I do 3 trades a day. Pero this one is a trade that I did not take. Yung US 30, nakikita nyo yan in front. And our total loss right now as of this week is 206.99. Ngayon, pag tinanong nyo ako, Kanoypi, tatlong sunod-sunod na talo ka na. Paano yan? Sa testing stages ko, mga Kanoypi, 8 sunod-sunod akong talo. And I still ended up at 19% profit. So, yun ang isa sa mga bagay kung bakit napaka-importante na mag-test kayo ng approach nyo sa market and document your or journal your every entry. Ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo yung ginawa kong journal. And it's very important for us to see this. Kasi when you look at the markets, hindi importante na makapag-predict ka. Ang importante is makapag-properly risk ka and to follow your rules. So, ito yon. Ito yung backtesting journal ko. Makikita nyo dito yung mga kulay pula. Yan yung mga talo. Tapos, here, from September 30 all the way to October 2, 8 sunod-sunod na talo. In fact, kung hindi ako nanalo ng 2 or 3, this would have been 17 losing streaks, right? So, marami akong losing streak dito kesa sa winning. Pero point is, if you win big. If you lose small. So, stay consistent lang doon. This is exactly what I did. This is just exactly what I did when I backtested my strategy or my approach, okay? Now, am I saying na I will become successful? Hindi. Kasi, unang-una, 3 months ko lang naman yung tinest. It's about 100 trades. And I'm willing to go above that with this funding account, right? If I don't make it, full transparency, makikita nyo dito sa channel na to or sa TikTok, full transparency, you can bash me all you want. But I'm saying it helps that you backtest or you test your approach in the markets, because if you don't, it will mess up your psychology. It will mess up. You won't have any statistical data to back you up, which is super important to do when you're dealing with the financial markets. Alright? So, ngayon, like I mentioned, ito yung trades ko today. S&P, I sold, and this is what happened. I sold and I stopped out really quick. On UK 100, I bought and it stopped out really quick as well. Pinatikim lang tayo ng konting ginawa doon and then I got stopped out really quick. So, one good thing about this strategy is because it's really supposed to be quick. So, nalalaman ko kagad if I didn't make it or if I did. Right? So, ayun lang mga Kanoy P for today's video. Like I said, point is, test your approach in the markets. Right? Gagawa ulit ako ng video to update on what's going on here. Pero, as you can see, this is as live as it gets. It is not my personal account, yes, but I do want to say that I bought and I spent money here to purchase $100,000 challenge. Alright? Just so I can prove a point at makatulong sana. Siyempre, kung naipasa ko to, bonus na yon, di ba? Pero kung hindi naman, point is, backtesting or testing your approach in the market is super detrimental, super important. So kung kayo ay hindi willing to go extra mile, extra effort, extra patience to test your approach on the market, then I suggest huwag muna kayo mag-trade. Alright, so yun lang mga Kanoy P. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung nag-enjoy ka naman sa nakikita mo ngayon or kung may tanong ka, comment down below. Subscribe to my channel kung bago ka. I'm more than willing to answer any questions through a video. Just let me know by commenting down below. Alright? Thank you so much mga Kanoy P. Till my next video. Bye.